If you have so many enemies, if you have so many competitors, if you have so many people who envy you, please do not joke with this recipe. By the grace of God, you are going to defeat them. You are going to put them into shame. Hello everyone, how you all doing? So today I want to share with us what you should do to protect yourself from evil people, from envious people. Number one, to protect yourself from envious people, you have to make sure you yourself, you are not an envious person. You are not an evil person, because once you're an evil person, you should not think of protecting yourself, because that is the game you play. So forget about this. Video is not for you. I'm talking about innocent people who has so many enemies, who people envy a lot. So if you are among those people, this video is for you. You are going to get cloves. You know cloves? Yes, you should make cloves your friend. This clothes is going to help you fight people you don't even know they are your enemies. You will see them coming to confess their sins, coming to God will start exposing them, especially those friends, those people you call your friends without knowing they're your enemies. Once you start using these clothes this way, you will see them exposing themselves by the things they do, the things they say, the way they will start behaving towards you. How do you use these cloves? Get 21 pieces of cloves. Just count out 21 of it. You can crush it if you want. If you don't want, just leave it like that. But why I want you to crush it? For it to give you what you want. Now when you crush it, it's going to have dissolve faster than when it's still in the seed. Get any soap of your choice, any soap. You can use your Ghana soap, you can use your Lost soap, you can use your normal bathing soap. If you use a liquid soap, just pour it inside then get olive oil, a drop of olive oil, add it to it, use it to be taking your bath. In the morning, before you use the soap, get your early morning urine, add it to your bathing water, then use this clove soap to bathe. My brothers and sisters, you will see those people that every day you'll be on phone telling them what is happening in your life. You will see the true color of them. They will show you their true colors. Even some of you that are married to the principalities fashioned against you, you will see them being exposed. Yes, some of you are married to your enemies. Without knowing, they'll be selling you out. I've seen so many people, their problem is their husband or their wives. They are the ones selling them out to their enemies, and you don't know. This will expose a lot of things. Get ready for spiritual warfare, because you are going to see enough. Well, I didn't say you should go and fight. So once you see them, once God starts exposing them, all I want you to do is to give thanks to God. Kneel down on your knees and tell God, thank you for answering my prayers. Thank you for exposing my enemies. You can even grind the cloves and put in your cream and rub it. Believe me, those your secret enemies will be exposed. Those your unfriendly friends, they will be exposed. Some of them will start running away from you. Some of them will start avoiding you. When you do this and people you feel that you are your friends start avoiding you, don't start looking for friendship. Move ahead. Know that God is fighting your battles. If you have a house help who you feel is evil, start using this. You will see that house help will go. If there is somebody living in your house and you'll be looking for a way to throw that person out of your house, maybe the person is related to your husband or to your wife, you know that if you tell the person to go, it's going to cause trouble in your marriage. Do this. You will see the person will cause the problem that will make that your partner to even be the one to fight the person. Yes, everything is not fights. There are things you do spiritually and the battle will start taking place. If you have wicked people around you, by the time you do this, they will run away because it's going to be too hot for them. People are very, very powerful. So if you have those secret friends, you don't know that they are bad, start using this. Even in your place of work, Your colleagues, if you feel they love you, they don't. They won't take over your position. They are eyeing your position by fire, by force. Do this. That your position, they will not sit on it. Is there anybody frustrating you in that office? Yes, when I was working in the bank, one of my manager then, the man, I don't know what I did to that man. I became his nightmare. I told him the worst part is, if you keep giving me lesser appraisals and maybe I get sacked, your wife is an illiterate, she cannot take up my position. He felt insulted, but I have to tell him the truth. Your wife cannot sit in my position because she doesn't have my qualifications. You cannot leave your own job and come and take over my own. I know what your problem is, but at the due time, you are going to leave this office for me. And it happened that way. I went for my maternity leave. Before I came back, I heard he was sacked. I called him with another number because I know if I call with my number, he will not pick. I said, what did I tell you? I'm even on leave and I'm getting the call that you have been sacked. So this is how God is going to sack your enemies. This is how God is going to remove those people tormenting your life. I had another one. That one was our auditor. Every time we are from the same place, but I became her problem. She left, all of them left before me. I resigned on my own. So this is how God will torment your enemies. And funny enough, that particular auditor is my friend now. So this is how God will torment all your enemies. They will run away. They will be the ones to leave that place for you. Are you doing business in that your office area, in that your business area? They keep throwing things on you. They keep dropping things on the ground for you. You are bigger than that. In my shop, they have one done that. There are 7 in numbers. If I tell you their stories today, you'll be marveled. God fought for me. When 7 witches came together to fight one person, it wasn't an easy job, but at the end of the day, all of them left that environment for me. So this is how God will fight for you. When some of them see me on the road, they will shake before they start moving. That is how God will fight for you. So do this simple thing. It's simple, right? But very, very effective. Only your early morning urine is enough to neutralize anything they have done on you. It is enough to spoil whatever jars they are carrying. Some of them will carry their demonic body and come to your office. You think they came to check what is happening, to drop some more jars for you. Once you mistakenly shake them, you start having problems. They will come to your shop. How far now? In our business, they slow today. Waiting they happen. Tell them your own is not slow. Yes. When others are encountering economic meltdown, it's not for children of God. Have you wondered how you're feeling, even when people are complaining of hardship? Have you sat down to ask God, how are you doing this? You are paying your house rent, you're paying your children's school fees. Have you ever wondered how you are doing the magic? That is what God will do for you, unless you don't believe in Him, unless you are not a child of God. So try this assignment and see how God will continue to fight your battles in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one.